Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Alright, we're going to play some Mighty Cash here real quick. You notice that I put about $40.86 for this test. We're going to go ahead and do a different strategic kind of betting. The progressives are as follows. And basically what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and place a low bet of 18 cents. We're going to do about $3 worth, and then after that we're going to place a real bet and see if we can get the tiger to roar out, okay? We're going to go ahead and start with bronze. We're going to go ahead and do 18 cents. I think that should be good enough. So we're gonna go ahead and place a real bet. We're gonna go Jade on 1 cent denomination, and we're gonna max out at $1.90 per spin. Max bet at 240. There you go. Wow, we got a $75 dollar. See, I don't know, lately I've been doing this strategic way of betting, and for some odd reason I've been getting good bonuses. So yeah, hopefully whoever sees this video, give it a shot and see if it works for you. Here we go. Spots to fill. Let's see what happens. Not bad. $130 win on a 240 bet. So it goes to show you that, to bet efficiently, you try to do low bets. I do, the magic number is basically around $3 to $4 on a low bet. In this case, we used 18 cents. And then after that, we placed a real bet and got the roar to come out. So you might want to try this and see if that works for you. For those people that are visiting my channel for the first time, feel free to like and subscribe and make a comment. Just say hello, or even based on what you guys see and from your experience, to see if that worked for you. So give it a shot, and then and then we'll just I'm gonna go ahead and play this out real quick. I always do backup spins. I do about 2 or 3 before I go back and start doing the 18-cent low bet again. All right, we went on to a different machine here. We're gonna go ahead and try that strategic way that I had mentioned earlier, and see if we can get some sort of roar. So if you notice here, if you click on the denomination, or here, if you click on that, it'll tell you the last paid ticket, and it's a pretty high amount. So usually when it's a high amount like that, you only want to put like approximately $1 or $2 of low bets, and then from there go ahead and place your real bet in hopes to get that random roar. So we'll go ahead and give it a shot. Let me go ahead and put some money, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, sorry about that. I put in $40. We're gonna go ahead and go on bronze level. Here are the progressives, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place 18-cent bet. We're gonna do approximately probably $1 to $2 because the last payout was about $120. So the previous person probably played it enough where we don't need to put in you know, $3 to $4 of low bets. So let's go ahead and give it a shot and see if this works. I think that's good enough. We put a little over $2, and we did a rapid fire on it, and then go ahead and place our real bet here. We're gonna go ahead and do Jade. Okay, max bet of $1.90. First bonus.
恭喜您赢得了免费游戏。
We're at $1.90. Let's see what we get.
Alright,
that bonus was kind of whack, but anyhow, you got the idea. So what we did was we placed a little over $2 of small bets, and then after that we placed our real bet, and then we got our first bonus, which is the free spins. So let's go ahead and give it a shot and see if we'll start over, because that's what I usually do. I'll start over, put another $2 worth of small bets, and then see what happens. Go back to bronze. Go to gold, and we're going to go do a max bet on gold and see what happens here. Jade, since it was doing good for us, let's go ahead and give it another shot. $1.90 max bet. if we hit another bonus, I'll let you know. All right, we're back. Added another $20 and see what happens. I put it on 2-cent denomination. Oh, excuse me, 2 cents denomination. We're gonna go max bet on bronze. I believe it's $1.80. There you go. Get another bonus here.
恭喜您赢得了免费游戏。
There you go. Alright,
超级现金游戏，
that's about $100. Come on, let's double up. Two more spins. What the heck? Still got 4 spins to go. Alright, not bad. $1.80 bet, got 136 out of it. I'll take that any day. Alright, I could do a couple of backup spins here. Alright, this is Mighty Cash. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, after putting another $20 bill, finally got the roar. I was like about $13 into the $20 that I put in. I finally got the random roar. So I got a big number. I got a big actually coin here. It's $52.50 coin, and see what happens. Spots to fill. So there goes to show you that trying this strategic way that that I've kind of discovered, actually, the odds of trying to get the roar is a lot higher than when you would normally bet, a high bet from the get-go. If you start placing lower bets, just to try to get that roar to come out, it's more efficient. And all these slot machines basically have like a random number built into it. So if you place a bet, you put your money in, you put your card in, the slot machine computer will basically pick a random number. Let's say, for example, if it's 10, then on the 10th transaction, that roar will come out, or the free spins, or you'll manually get the coins, like 6 coins or 5 coins to get into the bonus. So as of late, the last few weeks, I've been trying this, and it's been beneficial. As you can see in the previous sessions, that it's been working. So give it a shot. If you guys, happen to try it and kind of want to hear your experience, so give it a shot and then let me know. All right. Thanks a lot. All right, I moved on to another machine, did the strategic strategy again, and I put $40 in, placed about $3 worth of 18 cents, and then max bet at 340 all the way through, just let it ride, and this came up. I got a $35 ball, a $10.50 ball, and basically $25 into our bet, and let's see what happens. So there you have it. You just follow this strategy, and the odds of getting the roar is quite high. So give it a shot. Be sure to comment, and I'm kind of curious to see what your experience is. So let me know. Like and subscribe when you guys get a moment, and I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you. If I get another bonus, I will come right back.